I'm alright. See me, see me, see me. I'm no very well. When you take a look at me, you couldn't fucking tell. On a day-to-day basis, I'm just a normal guy. But every now and then it seems I'm just no fucking wise. I'm no sure what's wrong with me. Maybe it's fucking nothing. Fine 1 minute, a cunt the next. Surely that's fucking something. There isn't a fucking trigger or a switch that I feel throw. You might no see it coming, but you'll soon fucking know. My face isn't always tripping, but I've got a permanent scowl. Take some time to get to know as you'll see it's no always a growl. But my face is my face, it'll no change, that's just the way it goes. There's no indication of what side you'll get, the rage doesn't always show. So if you think I'm just a grumpy cunt and you don't want to waste your time, that's your fucking problem, pal. Certainly no mine. I'll no lose any sleep when I'm you think a certain way. I know I don't look approachable, but maybe find out what I'll say, 'cause I'll always have your back. You'll want me on your side, 'cause the truth is I'm a loyal cunt, I'll no take you for a ride. Your opinion is your opinion. I might think it's shite. I know exactly who I am. I'm a cunt, but I'm alright. I'm alright.